Welcome to another edition of Legend, Mystery, and More. I'm your host, Stephen Sindoni. In today's program, I will reveal a little-known fact about your rights as a free sovereign being. The program is entitled, Know Your Rights. Since the tragic events of September 11th in 2001, laws have been passed under the Patriot Act. These laws have taken away many of the liberties we, the American people, are entitled to under the Bill of Rights and the United States Constitution. Law enforcement has been given the right to set up roadblocks, checkpoints, and stop anyone they feel looks suspicious without probable cause. There is a federal law under the Privacy Act 5, U.S.C. 552A, 88 Stat. 1896, authorized in 1974. This federal law gives you the right to require any public servant to fill out a questionnaire before he or she can ask you, the citizen, any question. I will now explain the form line by line and make it easy for everyone listening to understand. Number 1, public servant's full legal name. Number 2, public servant's residence address. Number 3, name of agency. Number 4, full name of supervisor and office address. Number 5, will you as a public servant uphold the Constitution of the United States? Yes or no? Number 6, did public servant provide proof of identity? Yes or no? Number 7, ID number, badge number, bonding agency and number. Number 8, will you as a public servant furnish a copy of the law or regulation that authorizes the action being taken or information requested in this case? Yes or no? Number 9, will you as a public servant provide in writing that portion of the law authorizing the question asked? Number 10, are answers voluntary or mandatory? Number 11, are the questions being asked based upon a specific law or regulation, or are they a discovery process? Number 12, what other uses may be made of this information? Number 13, what other agencies may have access to this information? Number 14, what will be the effect upon me if I should not choose to answer any or all of the questions? Number 15, name of person in government requesting the information. Number 16, is this investigation general or special? Note, by general it means any kind of blanket investigations in which a number of persons are involved because of geography, type of business, income, etc. By special it means any investigation of an individual nature in which others are involved. 17. Have you consulted, questioned, interviewed, or received information from any third party related to this matter? Yes or no? If yes, give identity of all such third parties. Use back of sheet if more area is needed. Number 18. Do you reasonably anticipate either a civil or criminal action to be initiated or pursued based upon any of the information which you seek? Yes or no? Number 19. Is there a file of records, information, or correspondence relating to me being maintained by this agency? Yes or no? Number 20. Is this agency using any information on me which is supplied by another agency or government source? Yes or no? Number 21. Will the public servant guarantee that any other department other than the one by which he is employed will not use the information in these files? Yes or no? And below the questions is a place for a signature for the public servant, which says, I hereby sign and affirm under the penalty of perjury that the answers are true and correct in every particular. And thereafter the following notice follows. If any person or agency receives any request for information relating to me, you must advise me in writing before releasing such information. Failure to do so may subject you to possible civil or criminal action as provided by this act or other law. This Know Your Rights public service questionnaire can be found on CindoniSays.webs.com.